Hello and welcome to this video where I'll show you how to disassemble a Logitech M185 wireless mouse. This mouse is wireless, comfortable and made with recycled plastic. To disassemble this mouse, you will need a Phillips 0 screwdriver and a plastic pry tool. Be careful not to damage the internal components or the plastic clips. The first step is to remove the battery cover, the battery and the screw from the bottom of the mouse. The next step is to remove the top cover of the mouse by prying it apart from the bottom cover with the plastic tool. The top cover is held by a pin and hole locating method and a screw at point A. The third step is to remove the circuit board from the bottom housing by pushing back the black clips and sliding up the battery connectors. The final step is to separate the top casing layers by unclipping the black clips at the back of the mouse and sliding the upper casing forward. The top casing layers are held by a lip and groove locating method at point B. You now have successfully disassembled the Logitech M185 wireless mouse. You can see the picture of the disassembled components on the screen and the bill of materials. Thank you.